So let's create the event listener for the notification linear layout. New view on click listener. Okay. So when you click it, the switch should be changed. How we change the switch? We're going to declare boolean first. Switch state, and then I'm going to check the switch notifications value. So this function will return the notification is true or false based on the current situation. And then can use the set check to turn off or turn on the switch. So let's try and run your program first to see if it is working or not. So based on this code, you can see that if the current status is true, the notification switch will change to the false with this code. So let's click it. So it's working. When I click the linear layout, the switch is changing. So after user change this, we have to put the value inside the shared preference. So how we're going to do that is using the editor dot put, because it's boolean, we are going to use the put boolean. First is the key, which is a constant string, which I declare early, and the value. The value should be not switch states. After that, remember to commit the change. So let's try and run the application. Turn on, turn off. Let's turn on, and then we click the application. So as you can see, the switch is still turning off because we didn't set the switch status at the beginning of the code. So we are going to set it. So after this the declaration, I'm going to switch notification dot set check, and then we're going to get the value from the shared preference. So shared preference dot get boolean. So what is the value for the what is the key for the boolean? It is sp underscore notification, and then what kind of default value you want to give to the boolean. I'm going to put at false as the default value for the sp notification key. So let's try and run the application to see if it's working or not. So turn on, turn off. Let's turn on the notification and then click the app and open back the app. So the notification is on. Let's turn it off and click the app and open back. So you can see the notification is working. But somehow you might notice a problem that when I click the switch button, which supposedly is already turned on, and I click the application, the data is not in the shared preference because for this area is the linear layout, but for this area is the switch button. So we need to do some event listener for the switch notification also in order we can save the data inside the shared preference. So let's go back to your main activity. So let's declare the event listener for the switch notification. So switch notification dot set on check chain listener, new on check chain listener. So just copy this line of code to save the data inside the shared preference. the boolean p will be return the new value for the switch notification. So let's try and run your application to see the listener is working or not. So if I click the notification off on, let's try to create the app. My share preference. So the notification is on. So that means the data is already set inside the share preference. If I off it, so it is same. We get the same result from the previous setting. So your notification setting is working right now. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to change the language